the Hanky Panky. This cocktail is the frisky one that flirts with the others and disappears with them into the storeroom at the Christmas party, or disappears into the bushes with someone they just met after they shared a cheap bottle of Lamborghini at a friend's wedding. Right, jokes aside, I might sound like I got the mumps today, as I had 2 dental fillings earlier, and I had those big trout lips like a trainee beautician who has a burgeoning OnlyFans career. Also, just to add, there might be some background noise, as one of my annoying neighbours who lives opposite me, who I call Carman, is doing work on his car for the 100th time this week. The ingredient lineup: gin, I've gone for my old faithful here, Beefeater, then Old Italiano as I call it, a sweet red vermouth, and then one of my new favourites, Fernet Branca. Going to kick this off with 1/4 ounce of 7.5ml of Fernet Branca. Add 1.5 ounces, that's 45ml of gin. Then lastly add 1.5 ounces, that's 45ml of our red vermouth. Now I'm going to make my kitchen even bigger mess, and I'm going to crack some ice to put into our mixing glass. Then we want to bring this all together by chilling and diluting it by stirring. I'm going to aim for around a minute or so, or until the mixing glass is well frosted. This cocktail was created by the First Lady of Bartenders, Ada Coleman, in the early 1900s at the American bar at the Savoy Hotel in London. Also, Coley should be regarded as a trailblazer in the bartending industry, as societal attitudes to female in the bar industries were very old-fashioned at the time. Also, Hanky Panky had a different meaning at the time and was linked to something being magical. The name came around when comedy actor Charles Hawtrey wanted a drink with a punch in it and remarked to Coley, "By Jove, this is the real Hanky Panky." We're going to strain this into a Nick and Nora glass. We're going to have none of that Manhattan stuff today. And we're going to express the oils of an orange peel, and my tip, use a cheese slicer to do this rather than vegetable peelers, much safer and efficienter. And I'm going to tidy this up a bit and then make an incision cut in it, and then we're going to curl it and place it on the side of the glass. The taste test. This is a sweet drink, but in a mature kind of way. You get a lot of deep fruit elements from the vermouth. The Fernet Branca brings a pronounced herbal flavour, and the gin is there, but not a dominating flavour. Could have gone for something a bit bolder, a bit more punchier, like a Tanqueray. But this is a really nice cocktail. Reminds me a bit of a Martinez. It's definitely a sipping cocktail.